You are now in the me of the fairy tale.
Make sure you do not hit any fairy tale creatures. And the wolf! The wolf! Get away! Alex! I think the coffee.
How's up in here? Sleeping castle with lots of magic mushrooms. And lots of guards. To retreat. That's the job I was in. Oh, look! Four! Oh, another little Red Riding Hood. These people are really annoying me now.
Why don't you give them some fisticuffs?
Come on, Hansel and Gretel, you German freak.
Punch. Oh! Get your hands to go right in front of the camera next time.
Oh, look, there they are again, eating a gingerbread house. Oh, fuck!
Her name disappeared.
And the witch is gone. We are the champions. Oh, look, fat. Eating a cake. Look, Red Riding Hood. Oh, look. What is he
having a fight? And a cassette player.
Is that wolf high? Could be.
There's a big fat man. I think he's supposed to be the grumpy old troll.
Oh, look, a troll. You want to mess with me, you stupid troll?
Fisticuffs to us in a second.
Want to mess with me, you grumpy old troll?
Oh, he's gone! Oh, what a punch! He's gone. See, look, he's gone in the water.
Oh, look, a fucking ghost. Hi, Dave. Oh, what a spray of water to me.
Fisticuffs. Oh, God.
How the hell is this guy doing?
Looks a bit erotic.
Like he's pulling a ring.
Oh. What is a sexual noise? Harder! Aladdin's cave, apparently. I don't see much good.
Oh, look. There's the cave. There's Aladdin.
There's Aladdin.
Look at him, Pop.
There's a wee bit of mist. Signing out of the fair.
Oh, no.
I know. It's my chance.
A cat is attacking your side.
Signing out.
Very strange.
I have no memory left, so signing out.
Okay,